What do the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak, Patek Philippe Nautilus, and the Bvlgari Octo have in common? Well, that they were designed by the same guy, Gerald Genta. The Bvlgari Octo, also known as the Bvlgari Octo Solotempo, is an exemplary timepiece that combines Italian luxury design with its Swiss watchmaking expertise. This watch offers a captivating blend of contemporary aesthetics, exceptional craftsmanship, and horological innovation. The Bvlgari Octo showcases the distinctive octagonal case made famous by Gerald Genta, characterized by its bold and multifaceted design. Crafted with a keen eye for architectural elegance, the octagonal case silhouette is an embodiment of modern sophistication. The interplay of the sharp angles and polished finishes create an aesthetically striking timepiece that exudes a strong masculine presence. The Octo's fusion of geometric lines and curves displays a harmonious balance between modernity and classic watchmaking principles. The dial of the Octo is a testament to Bvlgari's commitment to design excellence. The minimalist yet intricate dial configuration features a sleek, faceted hour markers. The design language is refined, offering a harmonious layout that maintains a sense of sophistication and readability. The date window, seamlessly integrated into the dial, provides a functional and balanced element to the overall composition. The only thing that I don't like is the hands. They look like the loom just fell out. In my opinion, Bvlgari should have made them whole, not with a hole. Powering the Octo is the Bvl 193, an in-house automatic movement exemplifying Bvlgari's dedication to technical prowess. This caliber combines precision, reliability, and generous 50-hour power reserve, ensuring the watch performs with exceptional accuracy. The movement is meticulously finished, reflecting on the brand's high standards for horological craftsmanship, which, in my opinion, make it the best and most beautiful part of this watch. Despite its contemporary and avant-garde design, the Octo possesses a surprising versatility, effortlessly transitioning from formal attire to more casual ensembles. Its bold and charismatic presence make it a versatile companion for various occasions, adding a touch of refinement and elegance to the wearer's style. Bvlgari's impeccable attention to detail is evident throughout the Octo. From the case finishing to the movement's precision, the watch embodies the brand's commitment to exceptional craftsmanship. The meticulously executed details, such as the polished and brushed surfaces, showcase the brand's mastery in high horology. Overall, the Bvlgari Octo is a remarkable timepiece that seamlessly combines daring design with technical expertise. Its distinctive aesthetic and superior craftsmanship position it as a standout choice for those who appreciate modern luxury and innovation in watchmaking.